What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to jack up the car and I'm going to replace this front lip that finally came. I didn't get another like fake carbon fiber one. I just got the black one to match my side splitters, and I'm also going to attempt to install this neon kit. I was planning to install the white line kit, but I'm going to wait because my buddy's got an alignment rack and I don't want to have to drive this thing over to his place with a really bad alignment. And I'm just going to do it at his place. So I'm waiting for him to let me know when I can get the car over there, and we'll do that. But I'm going to jack this thing up and rip the old front lip off of here and prep the new one to get put on.
Hey, yo, bad play.
Drinking done, Perry Young, out the bottle. Yeah. Called her, told her, come pull up and bring your partner. Hey, bring your friend. I got her, but she know how I feel about her. Damn. I smoke a lot of, then she a popper. Yeah. Both her and her friend call me Big Papa. Notorious dog. Ain't no limit to the, might silk to shock you.
Please don't break.
Carry a black 380. She always say she take it. That bitch always faking. Every time I see her, till she start shaking. Whoa. I got nothing but bad on my roster. Got a lot of bougie on my roster. I got nothing but bad on my roster. I got nothing but bad on my roster. I got nothing.
Well, good to know the double-sided sticky tape was working. Wow, this thing is ugly without the lip. Yeah, this one also didn't come with double-sided sticky tape like the last one did, so that kind of sucks. But might actually get a little bit tighter fitment up to the bumper. So I've already got my holes drilled in the bumper, so I shouldn't have to do a lot of fitting measurement. I should be able to just line the holes up and send her. So let's get her done.
Two to beam up, Scotty.
Oh yeah, bud. She's fresh. Looks pretty good. This car just doesn't look right without the lip anymore. I mean, for reference, this thing was like 60 bucks on Amazon, dude. So, just gonna send her. If she breaks, she breaks. Get another one. I suppose that leaves us with our underglow kit. So I did open this already. It was definitely packaged better than this. But yeah, zip ties, got some little screws and clamps to hold up the bars, remote, all that junk. So I'm going to open my hood and just touch this to the battery and make sure it works before I waste all my time installing it. Oh yeah, we got some juice. Sweet. So I'm going to unravel this mess, separate everything, get everything situated, and then figure out where I'm going to run them. So this is a pain in the ass, to be honest. These little brackets and tiny screws were kicking my ass. I've got both sides mounted. I still have to do some wire management, but I'm going to end up zip tying a bunch of it. And yeah, I decided I wasn't going to time lapse the whole thing because it's stupid. I'll show you when it's done. All right, it is nighttime now. I've got all of the neons installed, so I'm gonna give you guys a walk around and I'll kind of show you where things are placed and we'll see how it looks. Oh yeah. Dude, for 60 bucks, cannot go wrong. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I do kind of slightly wish that the front and rear too were one piece longer, but overall, that looks fucking killer, man. And it came with a remote. It does like different modes and such. Here, let me turn my light off. There we go. Yeah, this is sweet. There's like multiple settings you can do, but overall, I'm probably just gonna run it with the blue because I like that, and it goes with my interior. But hell yeah, so dope. So underneath, I kind of went around the spare tire well. Because I didn't want to get it near the exhaust, and even with that said, around the tire well like that, it looks really good. The sides are right under the skirt on both sides, and you guys probably saw the front earlier. Hell yeah, dude. I'm hyped. I will take it. So with that said, that's going to be all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm absolutely frozen. Can't feel my fingertips. It's like 30 degrees outside. And yeah, put this thing back in the garage. See you in the next one.